Today we're going to make soap, and this is going to be a cold process soap, and the soap we're going to make is our Pure Energy soap that we've made before. It's our Pure Energy, and it's really a really nice soap. It's pretty simple to make as far as the ingredients go. I will show you guys in the description. I'll list in the description are the ingredients as far as by weight, but we'll go ahead and go through those just to show you what we're going to use here in just a second. Okay, so for ingredients, and again, in the description I'll list actual quantities by weight. It'll be, because the most accurate way to do this is by weight in grams. So I'll list this by weight in grams. But for oils, we're going to use olive oil. We're going to use lard, coconut oil, beeswax. This is from our hives that we rendered. And then for lye, we have 100% lye that we were able to purchase at Lowe's. For scent, this is going to be Energy by Brambleberry. And this is a really popular scent. It really smells nice. A lot of good citrus notes and some other stuff. It's really a good soap. It's kind of a unisex. For colors, we are doing, we have micas for Mad Micas. We have Lemon Cupcake, Tangerine Dream, and Pow Pow Purple. We also use titanium dioxide for our whites. And we throw in some kaolin clay as well, white kaolin clay. And again, the soap that we're going to make is the Pure Energy soap we referenced at the beginning. Okay, so now we're going to talk quickly about the equipment that we're going to use. First thing, to be safe, you want to wear gloves. These are just standard rubber or nitrile gloves, and eye protection. And you want stuff that's going to, you don't want to just use safety glasses. You want the goggles that will provide some side protection, because the point of this is to protect your eyes and your skin against lye, because lye is caustic. It'll burn you. And so you don't want, if you just have regular glasses or safety glasses on, and the lye can get behind or on the side and get in your eyeball, that's not happy. So if you do get lye on your skin or on in your eyes, you want to flush it really well with water. And if it gets in your eye after you flush it, you want to contact your medical.
What happens if it reaches your face?
If what reaches your face, son?
The lye.
So you want to rinse it off, keep it away from your eye. If it's just on your skin, and you want to rinse it off well, okay?
Okay, why do you do that?
Because it'll burn you. So if you don't rinse it off quickly and you leave it on there, it can cause a chemical burn. Okay? So going through the rest of the equipment, we have measured pitchers, and these got little spouts on them. We were able to pick these up for about $1 at Walmart. And these work really well, especially when we're doing multiple colors, because we can split the batter up into equal parts or unequal parts depending on what we're doing. But these are really, really helpful. This is just a crock pot insert and some assorted Pyrex bowls, as well as some of the other equipment. The best place to get this stuff is at your local thrift store, in my opinion. You don't need to go out and buy new. The lye is going to tear this up, and you're going to tear it up making soap. So you don't need to get new stuff. You can go to the thrift store and do it on a budget. For mixing, I have a stick blender. Again, you can get one secondhand at the thrift store instead of buying new, because you're going to go through these. They're going to burn out throughout your process of making soap. Whisk, spatula, these are important. We'll see why. Again, measurements is very important when we're making soap. It's science. So when we're mixing the ingredients, it's going to be down to the 1/10 of a gram, and because it's by weight. You don't want to mix that up, because you're doing a very specific ratio of type of oil or type of lipid to the alkaline base of the lye. So you want to make sure that your measurements are exact. Otherwise, you're either going to have a lye heavy soap, or you're going to have non-saponified oils that are going to be in your soap. Either way, it's not going to be what you're after. So a good scale with good batteries is very, very important. Last here, we've got our molds. These are just loaf molds. This we bought on Amazon. It's a small silicone mold insert in a wooden frame, and that whole thing came from Amazon. I don't remember how much that was.
I think $16.
16 bucks.
Or
So it
both
wasn't.
of them for 2.
Yeah, so we got 2 of these, and they're 2. I think they're 2-pound molds. And then this silicone insert we purchased from Brambleberry, and I had already built this myself, and it just happened that if I took the end off my previously built
Wait, you did
frame,
that?
I did. I built the wooden part. Yep, this actually fits in there perfect. Nope, I didn't build that part, and it just fits in there, just sticks out, but it doesn't matter because this stays pretty firm. So, but that's our equipment. So one of the other tools that we're going to use, and I forgot to mention this with the rest of them, is a thermometer. Now what I use is a infrared thermometer, and it shoots a laser beam.
Done.
Shoots a laser beam out, and you get a we're in Fahrenheit here, so I don't speak Celsius well. So it'll take a readout of your temperature. So we're going to be using this, and it's important because you want your oils, your hard oils, like your coconut oil and your lard and your beeswax, you're going to have to melt to make them liquid. And then you'll mix those, you'll combine that with your liquid oil, in this case, which is olive oil. And when that temperature of that mixture is down below about 120, and your lye is also about the same, because you want them about equal, then that's when you'll mix them. And the way to measure that is with a good thermometer. And again, this one, you don't have to dip stuff into the lye. I can just shoot it and get a good reading.